Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here. Every now and then, a report that we traded often stops performing well and we take a break from trading it. That's what's been going on with the API report. However, things have really changed. We had 6 winners in a row. We trade the API as a range trade. Now, 6 winners in a row is awesome. That means 6 weeks in a row, this report's made money for anyone that traded it the way that we teach. You could see that the market pushed down. It actually hit our first target and we were immediately profitable. And then as the trade goes on, the price keeps moving down. We were able to trail our stop. And really, it didn't take very long. The trade was over in a couple of minutes and we had a profit of over $110. Many other people in the room also traded the after the news part of the trade. So that range trade ended a couple of minutes after 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday. That's when this report is released. Then after the news is released, the actual data comes out. We trade that on a second chart, also with oil, and members make money very often using a continuation or a reversal trade. We did a reversal, had 2 trades for the price of 1. The API report, winner after winner after winner, and that's why it is our trade of the week. One of our members, Doc, made over $800 on that trade. Our own Chantal made over $250 in multiple accounts. The API report has become a really excellent report to trade. It's low risk because it rarely stops out, and it is now our trade of the week. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week at the trade room for the API report.